In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align right in Gmail. Right alignment is perfect when you want to give your message a clean, polished look, highlight a short note on the side, or format content for layouts that feel more balanced. We'll walk through the exact controls inside Gmail's Compose window, so you can quickly apply right alignment whenever you need it. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser, then click Compose to open a new message. A small Compose window appears in the bottom right corner of the screen. Along the bottom of that window, you'll see a row of formatting tools. If the toolbar looks minimal, that's okay. We're about to expand it. Look for the formatting icon. It's the letter A with a small line under it. This is the toggle that shows or hides Gmail's formatting options. Click that A icon once. When it expands, you'll see more tools for text styling, including font, size, bold, and importantly, alignment. Now find the alignment control. Its icon looks like a small stack of horizontal lines. Click that icon to open the alignment menu. You'll see several choices: left, center, right, and justify. To push your text flush with the right edge, click Align Right. That's it. Your current paragraph will immediately move to the right side of the Compose area, and anything you type next will follow that alignment until you change it again. If you've already typed some content, the alignment applies to the paragraph where your cursor is placed. You can also select specific lines and then apply Align Right to affect only that selection. If you know from the start that you want right alignment, it's easiest to click Align Right before you begin typing so your text flows correctly from the first character. A few quick reminders to keep things smooth. Alignment controls show up only when Gmail is in rich formatting mode. Plain text mode hides them. If you don't see the A icon or the alignment button, you may be viewing the simplified Compose tools. Also, features can look slightly different depending on your browser or screen size, but the A icon and the alignment control live in the same toolbar. On mobile, Gmail's formatting tools are more limited, and alignment options may not appear, so a desktop browser is the most reliable place to adjust alignment. To recap, open Compose, click the A icon to reveal formatting, click the alignment button, and choose Align Right. You're done. With that, your message will look intentional and well-structured every time.